As a homeowner in Cayce, you're likely always looking for ways to improve your home's comfort, reduce energy bills, and increase overall efficiency. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make to achieve these goals is through window installation. Whether you're building a new home or renovating your current one, upgrading to energy-efficient windows can provide significant benefits. Not only can it make your home more comfortable year-round, but it can also lead to considerable savings on your heating and cooling costs. Here's how window installation can improve your home's energy efficiency. Reduce heat transfer. One of the primary ways energy-efficient windows improve your home's energy performance is by reducing heat transfer. Standard windows often allow heat to escape in the winter and let it in during the hot summer months, forcing your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you can prevent this unwanted heat transfer. Modern energy-efficient windows come with advanced glazing and insulation properties that help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Double-pane windows, for example, feature a layer of gas, usually argon or krypton, between two panes of glass. This gas acts as an insulator, reducing heat flow and keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Enhance insulation. Windows play a crucial role in your home's overall insulation. Older or single-pane windows provide minimal insulation, which can result in air leaks and drafts. These gaps let cold or warm air enter your home, making it more difficult to keep the temperature steady without overworking your HVAC system. Energy-efficient windows come equipped with better insulating materials and airtight seals, ensuring that outside air stays out and your conditioned air stays in. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, leading to less energy consumption in a more comfortable home environment. Lower utility bills. One of the most immediate benefits you'll notice after installing energy-efficient windows in your Cayce home is a decrease in your energy bills. As these windows reduce the amount of energy required to heat and cool your home, your HVAC system won't have to run as often or for as long. This can translate into significant savings over time, especially during the peak heating and cooling seasons. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce glare and UV rays, which can help prevent fading of your furniture and carpets. This feature can extend the life of your belongings and further reduce the cost of home maintenance. Improve comfort. Energy-efficient windows not only improve your home's energy efficiency but also enhance the overall comfort of your living spaces. With the added insulation and reduced drafts, your home will feel more consistent in temperature, regardless of the weather outside. During the hot summer months, these windows can keep your home cooler without overusing air conditioning, while in the winter, they'll help retain warmth. Furthermore, because these windows reduce drafts and eliminate temperature fluctuations, your living spaces will become more comfortable to inhabit, allowing you to enjoy your home in any season. Reduce environmental impact. If you're looking for a way to make a positive impact on the environment, upgrading to energy-efficient windows is an excellent choice. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you'll be consuming less energy from non-renewable sources, reducing your carbon footprint. Lower energy consumption means fewer greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to the overall health of the planet. Moreover, many modern energy-efficient windows are made from sustainable materials, and they can be recycled once they reach the end of their life. This makes window installation a more eco-friendly home improvement choice. Increase home value. Investing in energy-efficient windows can also increase the value of your home. Potential buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-saving features, and having high-quality windows can make your property stand out in a competitive real estate market. This means that not only will you enjoy the benefits of lower utility bills, but you may also see a return on your investment when it's time to sell. Conclusion: upgrading your windows is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's energy efficiency. In Cayce, where temperatures can vary significantly throughout the year, having energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference in both comfort and savings. By reducing heat transfer, improving insulation, lowering utility bills, and increasing home value, window installation offers homeowners a wide range of benefits. So, if you're looking for a home improvement project that pays off in the long run, consider investing in energy-efficient window installation today.